Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Lightning Lane, and today we are going to draw one of the coolest vehicles ever. So, buckle up, start your engines, because today we're going to draw... Wait, what? Who did this? There's already a fire started? I haven't even started drawing yet. Okay, well, I guess it's not too bad. It's just a little fire, so maybe I can just kind of push it to the... Oh, ouch! Oh, that's hot. Okay, that's not gonna work. We just need to draw this fire truck fast so we can put this fire out. Let's draw the tires first. So I'm gonna draw a tire maybe about this big. And then I'm gonna draw 2 more circles inside. Now I'm going to use my hand, put it right about here, and draw another tire on this side. Now let's draw an arch above each tire. So I'll do one here. And another one over here. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now, wait, what? Wait, is the fire getting bigger? How's this possible? Okay, I just need to think of something. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, maybe I can use this eraser, just erase it. Should be easy. Ow! Oh, ouch, ouch. Ah, okay, oh, man. That's not gonna work. I can't erase this. Okay, just focus and just draw the fire truck. Fire truck will take care of everything. So next, I need the front of the fire truck. So I'm gonna draw a shape kind of like this. Now we need some windows and a door. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, fire truck needs some lights. So we'll do some front lights, and then we'll do some siren lights. Now we need the... Oh man, my hands are actually starting to get pretty hot. Okay, now we need the middle section of the fire truck. So let's do a shape kind of like this. And now I'm going to add some buttons and compartments. Okay, we have the front of the truck, the middle of the truck, now we just need the back of the truck. So I'm going to draw a shape kind of like this. And we're also going to add some compartments to the back of the fire truck. So I'll add 3 compartments. Now that we have the back of the fire truck, wait, are you kidding me? Okay, this is no longer a little fire. This is definitely a big fire. Oh man, this is going to be a really tough job for the fire department. Okay, I'm actually really starting to get worried here. Okay, I'm getting way too distracted. Just need to focus back on the fire truck. What am I missing? Oh yeah, okay, I need a fire ladder. So I'm gonna draw a fire ladder up here. And now to connect the two, I'm going to use some X's, kind of like this. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good. Just 1 second. I think the smoke's starting to get in my eyes. Okay, just a few more details. I'll add a rectangle here. And another one over here. One here. And the last one over here. I'll add a step here. Oh, and a backlight. Okay, I think this is looking pretty good. Now, I just need to color it all in. So I'll use the color gray for the tires. And I'll use blue for the windows. Okay, now that we have that done, let's use, oh no. Okay, this is really out of control. Oh man, it's gonna burn up the whole page, and this fire truck is just way too close to the fire. Okay, what should I color next? I'm just gonna use a lot of red. I'll start over here. And now I just need to color a little bit closer to the lines. Now just for a little bit of brown. And now I'm just going to use a little bit of yellow. And I'll finish coloring with some light gray. Okay, this is looking pretty good. I just need to... Oh no, oh no. Oh man, this fire's just giant. Okay, time to put this out once and for all. I just need a... Oh, I guess I have to draw a fireman. Okay, so I guess I'll start with a fireman hat. Then I need a face. And a torso and some arms. And some hands. And legs. And of course some boots. And some type of fire hose. And just a little bit more. And now all I have to do is color him in real quick. Okay, he's all ready to go. Wait a second. Oh no, I have a problem. Okay, I forgot the water. So we need some type of fire hydrant. So I need to draw a fire hydrant, maybe over here. Okay, I got this drawn. Now I just need to add a little bit more color. Okay, oh no. I think it's too late. This fire is just way too big. But I'm so close. All I have to do is connect the fire hose to the fire hydrant. And really quickly color it in. Okay, I think it's done. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we have the water going. Come on. Is that all the water pressure that is coming out? Come on, go, go, go. I don't know about this. Come on, give it everything you got. Okay, I'll help out a little bit. Just a little bit more. Come on, come on. Come on, get the water pressure up. Oh, is it actually working? Oh yeah, there's a pretty big difference. I think it's really going down. Just a little bit more water and I think we got it. Almost there, just a little bit more. And we're so close, just a tad bit more, and we're almost there. Looks like it's all gone. No more fire. I don't see anything. Awesome. The firemen did an amazing job. They actually put it out. I'm really surprised. Well, we did it. We got a fire truck, a fire hydrant, and a very brave fireman. So, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Lightning Lane, and let me know what I should color next. So, without further ado, oh no, I think I smell something smoking. Oh man. Wait, what? No!